How to schedule automated maintenance routines on HP PageWide Excel printers. You can enable automated maintenance routines on your PageWide Excel printer to help ensure that you are always ready to print in the best quality possible. Setting these routines up is easy. Simply go to the settings and select the Optimize Print Quality option. Here you can see your calibration history, as well as restore all your calibrations to factory settings. But to continue, press Schedule Calibrations. Now select the time you'd like to run the calibration. How often, and which calibrations you want. Once you finish that, exit out of the menu and you're done. Your printer will automatically perform the calibrations you've selected at the intervals you've indicated.